Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another tutorial of UGET Actions. Today we will learn how to use arrays in Swift programming language. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please give 2 seconds to subscribe it. It will be an appreciation for me to subscribe my channel. So tick tick 1, tick tick 2 and hope you subscribe it. So let's start using how to initialize an array. What is array? Array is a simple collection of data followed by some indexes, right? So I'm initializing here. This is the syntax of defining an array. Var is the keyword, array is a variable name, then equals to, and we define the array's values in square brackets, right? So I'm using here string variable, you defining John. This is the first array of this tutorial. Then Jack, then we initialize here Tim, and then Jerry. So this is the full syntax of defining an array. Add more values in this array. So let's just add more values to it. Let's say how to add the values in this array. We have to use the keyword append. Then we just have to add the value. So let's say Jan, right? So we added a value of Jan in this array. First use array count to let us know how many values are stored in this array. So let's just run it. It will show you here the count is 5 0. So the whenever we initialize an array, the first index of the array started from 0, right? So 0 1 2 3 and 4, but the values are 5. So let's just count the values 1 2 3 4 5. The array indexes started from 0, that is why the array index at the gen is 4, but the values are stored in this array are 5. How to print an item of an array? So what we have to do, we just write array, then define the array brackets, and then whatever index we have to insert up till 0 to 4, we just add here. Like I want to just get the result of index 2, so it will print the index 2, which is Tim, right? So it prints Tim 0 1 2 3 and 4, but the values are 5. Now let's suppose I have an array. I am using another array which is named as empty, and now what I have to do, I have to initialize an array. We have to define the type of array when the array is empty. So let's just insert append values to it. Let's say 22, then you can also do it as plus equals to, and add item like this. Now let's just get the count of this array first, then we will just print any of the index of empty array, right? So let's just print an item of empty. Let's suppose we are using 3, and now let's run it and see. So now what we are doing here, we are just iterating the array using for loop. So the first we have to define here for item, and now we have to define here in 0, the index started from 0 till the count value of array started from 0, right? The range is 0 less than empty dot count. So what it will do, it will run this loop from 0 till the count. The count of the array is 5 and 5 like this, and this range started from 0 to 5, so it will print like this. Now what we have to do here, we just print here value in at item is empty item like this. So let's run it and see the result. So what it prints, value at 0 is 22, value at 1 is 33. So let's just dry run this. So first value is 22 here, then the 33, then, and what it prints at 0 it's 22, at 1 it's 33, at 2 it's 44, and so on. So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechScience Tutorial. Also please subscribe this channel. I need your support, and there are many tutorials coming your way. So stay connected, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. We will be back with amazing tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.